storm, again, affecting Garland County. We've got so many now to talk to you about. If you're in Benton, stay where you are. Stay in your safe place. I am picking up some strong rotation right over Benton. At least here I'm picking up a little bit of a hook. It's still probably producing a funnel cloud near Benton, and that would be near Highway 5, and eventually up here near Congo Road. There's Highway 5, there's Congo Road. If there's a funnel in this, it's moving over Shenandoah and Congo. So the rotation on that is not as strong as other places, but it's a dangerous tornadic storm right over Benton and areas north of there. And to the east of the zone, it's only a matter of time because it's real close to Bryan, Shenandoah, Naperville.
I'm okay.
The Pulaski-Faulkner County line about to cross Highway 89.
17,000 now power edge. That number goes up.
This tornado is going to move very close to Cato, which is basically on the Faulkner-Pulaski County line near Camp